Hello. This video is going to take a look at dark web monitoring inside of Spanning. I'm going to start off here logged into my UniView portal, and I'm going to go down to my SaaS backup. From here, I can go down to my customers, and I can select my tenant for my Office 365, and then I'm going to use that to jump right into my Spanning interface. When the Spanning interface comes up, dark web monitoring shows up over here on the left. When we click on it, it's going to give us a list of users, their credentials that we found, and then the origin of those credentials. An important part of this is that the column marked active will show us what kind of users we're looking at. For instance, this first one on the list is active and protected. That simply means that they're an active user in the tenant and they are protected by Spanning. If we go down here, this is a deleted user, so this is no longer part of the Spanning or excuse me, the Office 365 tenant and is not protected by Spanning. We will see that there are other types of users that pop up. If we look at the filter, we'll see some of those different combinations of looking at the users from the perspective of, are they a member of the tenant and do they have a Spanning license? And there's a few different combinations that will show up here in the active column. We simply use this filter and we can drill down on the specific users that we want to see. Once we have done that, we can then go in and we can select the alerts that we want to. After we've had that conversation with the end user about best practices, security policies, and utilizing their work credentials on other websites. Once we've done that, we can then go in where we can resolve the selected alarms and remove them from the list so that they no longer show up there. Keep in mind that what's really going on here is that we are utilizing a search on the dark web to find users that are part of your tenant and looking for their credentials, with the understanding that if we can find them, so can someone else. And if they can find them, they can access your network. So dark web monitoring stands between you and a data breach. This concludes the session on dark web monitoring. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your sales team or the support team. Thank you.